Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can locate Serana, who is an NPC, or rather a follower in Skyrim, and she is exclusive to the Dawnguard DLC. So if you have vanilla Skyrim, make sure you have that DLC installed. That DLC is included in both the legendary and special editions of the game, as well as the anniversary, which is just special edition with extra steps. But yeah, once you have the DLC installed, you will want to actually start the main quest line for Dawnguard, and that is started when you reach level 10. Some vampires will attack any city you are in, and you actually need to be in a city, and you will see an attack come from the gates of the city. Once you kill those actual vampires, you will be able to go to the Fort Dawnguard in the southeast of the map, east of Riften. Guards will also start talking about the Dawnguard after you reach level 10, so the vampire attack isn't necessary, however, it will automatically happen. And yeah, you just want to follow that quest line, and you're going to want to get to the point where you get the quest to locate an Elder Scroll. That Elder Scroll is carried by Serana, and she is in some sort of cave. I forgot which cave it is. Once you play the quest line, you will see exactly, you will be told which cave it is, and what you want to do is to actually go to that cave and complete it, and at the end you will find Serana trapped in a sort of tomb. Once you release her, she will be able to become your follower, and you can bring her back to the Dawnguard, and after that you can use her for the remainder of the DLC, and even after, she will be your permanent companion, and I think she will continue residing in the Fort Dawnguard, so you can find her if you dismiss her anytime that you would like. And she is a very useful follower to have, very charming as well with her dialogue, so make sure that you actually do get her. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.